Today, we're going to turn this into this. This project took about 2.5 hours, plus another hour to install the palms. To take care of the top of the post, I didn't want to purchase and install the caps. They cost a bit more money, plus they don't tend to hold up. So I like cutting 45-degree chamfers around the top of the post. Sometimes I'll use a router to do it. In this case, it's just quick and easy. I only had 2, so I just used my skill saw. Then I used the Smart Station for really everything else. I was able to quickly cut the cross pieces to the length I needed at a specific size, but I decided just to basically cut the pieces in half. And again, it didn't matter if they were an inch or 2 longer than the actual design. And then once I had all the cross pieces cut, then I jumped over to the table saw and cut about half of them in half. And that was based on the design that I had come up with. Then it was a matter of just layout and attaching them. I used stainless steel nails. I tend to avoid galvanized for exterior stuff, as they will, the galvanization will tend to chip when you use them in a nail gun, and then they will cause some staining later on. I've also found interesting in this Florida sand that I can put up panels like this, fence posts and mailbox without concrete. I like doing that. I can pack them in, even with a lot of wind. They don't tend to move around. And also, as I'm working on the Florida picture and the landscaping is done, I may want to move things around a bit. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop.